Urime pavarësinë e Kosovës 10 vjet shtet. Hi guys, it's Dee. Thank you so much for clicking on my channel and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe if you're new and share. Happy Independence Day to all my Kosovans. 10 years, wow. Okay, so this song is by Ledri Vula and it's called Vogel. And the song is meant to be something to do with the Independence Day. So I'm guessing he's going to be speaking about that in the video clip today. So let's get it without any more talking. Let's go. This kid's so cute. These guys don't look happy. Wow. Ah, I like the way he's done that. So that car has now turned into, I'm guessing those words there are Serbian words. So that's obviously like a Serbian car. If you guys don't know, I'm guessing a lot of you watching are probably Kosovan. There was a conflict between Serbia. That's why now they've got their independence from Serbia. So yeah, this song is obviously touching on that. It's very impactful. I'm enjoying it. I'm really enjoying it. His flow is really good as well. Mad. So he's like, I used to watch it in the news, but I would never understand what was going on. Like there was a lot going on. Mad. Mad. Nuk mësoj prej shkollës, mësoj prej gabimeve. So like he's saying that you don't learn from school, you learn from like mistakes. Yeah, the video clip is very like it touches a lot. Like obviously like I didn't go through this war, and but I can obviously understand it, and I know a lot of people that have, so I can kind of relate to what he's talking about in this song. It's really, really strong. Oh, that's so sweet. Like as in like, you know, we picked each other up, we, you know, helped each other out, even though we were in such like, you know, bad situations. Okay, so he said, wait, I'm gonna go back to that. So we had less, but we loved more. Like as in like, you know, we had so much less and so much war going on, but we were so strong as a unit, as people, like as in we helped each other out. Like he said the point where like, you know, we helped each other out even when we were in the mud, like someone helped each other out, like. You know, wow. This song is strong. This song is really strong. Wow.
Som som blir shkollës, om së pi gabime. Sa të m'kish dhe dit, mu t'u lon kujtime. Pritësh me nxare, e jo me ditlinde. Som som blir shkollës, om së pi gabime. Sa të m'kish dhe dit, mu t'u lon kujtime. E moj men, si vogel e moj men. E qa ka ndodhën e moj men. Yeah, am I man?
Wow.
On am I man? Yeah, on am I man?
Wow. That song was a tearjerker. Like, it was actually just like, it was quite like sentimental, and it was obviously, he was talking about the war and how it was then when, you know, they were occupied by the Serbs. And, you know, like, obviously you'd have to kind of like, you don't even have to like kind of live through that to kind of get that from the video clip, or what it like kind of gave off. I like the fact that he was using the children in there, like, to kind of like show how like youth was also affected by all the things that were going on around them, even though they didn't understand them all. And he was like saying, like, you know, little things that kids look forward to, like birthdays, like, as in like we didn't wake up to birthdays, we woke up to like, you know, news and things happening, and you know, that's very like strong and impactful. This was an amazing song by Ledri. Ledri is a really good artist. I really do enjoy his stuff. I think his lyrics in this were really strong, really like kind of hit, and also his flow was amazing. I love the way this video was directed. I thought it was great. I liked the way it was kind of shot. It was very emotional as a song, and you'd obviously have to kind of relate to it, like to kind of like feel it, like fully feel it, and the way you can do that is obviously by understanding what it was saying. But yeah, guys, really enjoyed the song, and if I was like, I don't know, if I was to rate it, probably rate it like a 9 out of 10. Like, it was great. It was really good. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for clicking on my channel. And if you enjoy videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below as well. Urime pavarësinë e Kosovës 10 shtet. Peace.
Ain't nobody realer, I say ain't nobody realer.